Pink, yellow, green, blue, and looks like this container of violet paint is almost out. I might as well put in another container that's almost full. Okay, that should do it. All set up. Now, I should really get started on this painting. The contest deadline is coming up soon. But what if I calculate how much paint was in container B instead? Definitely not because I'm procrastinating on filling out this big scary blank canvas. It's just very important to keep track of your stock of materials as an artist. Container A and container B held a total of 10.25 liters of paint. After 2.75 liters of paint in container A was transferred to container B had 4 times as much paint as container A. How much paint was in container B at first? There is a lot of intimidating information to sort through, so to organize it, I'll use the ACE technique. A is for at first, C is for change, and E is for end. I'll start with what I know at first. I don't know how much paint was in each container at first, so I'll leave both A and B blank. I do know that the total is 10.25 liters, so I'll write that down under A over here. What happened is an internal transfer of paint. I didn't add anything new to the 2 containers of paint. I just brought part of the contents from one container to the other. The total is unchanged. But let's take a look at what did change. 2.75 liters of paint was transferred from container A to container B. So under C, I'll say that I subtracted 2.75 liters from A and added 2.75 liters to B. At the end, container B had 4 times as much paint as container A. So I'm going to represent that with units. Container A gets 1 unit, container B gets 4 units. That makes 5 units total. And since the total never changed, those 5 units must still equal 10.25 liters. So, 10.25 liters divided by 5 units gives me 2.05 liters per unit. Now let's find container B's total at the end. B has 4 units. 4 times 2.05 liters is 8.2 liters. Now that we know the amount of paint in container B in the end, all we need to do is subtract the amount 2.75 liters of paint that was added from container A to get its amount at first. So I'll just take container B's final amount, 8.2 liters, and subtract the 2.75 liters it received. That gives me 5.45 liters. Phew! That was a really good brain exercise. But now, I'm out of excuses. Well, this 10.25 liters of violet paint isn't going to use itself. Here goes nothing. Wow, I don't know why I was so scared. The pieces to my vision were always there. Just like math, the hardest part is always getting started. But if you have a plan and start by making sense of the factors at hand, it all comes together in the end.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Found this video useful? Give us a thumbs up and check out more by clicking the links here. You can also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, stay curious inside and limitless outside. Bye!